Brennan! What are you doing? Brennan! Brennan, you little stinker. You gotta get your clothes on. Brennan. You gotta get your clothes on.
You gonna go to the rosary?
Brennan. Brennan. You. Oh. Now you're down. Brennan, go get your clothes on. Go, in your bedroom. Go get your clothes on. You, little baby. You need to put your clothes on. No, where are you going? Get out here.
Brush your teeth.